Hello, friend. Welcome back. Thank you for staying with me through the mini series that we discussed for the last several weeks, where we discuss that excellence is always better than comparison, progress is better than waiting for perfection, and consistency always wins. Today, I want to show you proof of these three lessons where excellence beat comparison, progress beat perfection, and consistency won. I want to walk you through Michelangelo's paintings on the Sistine Chapel ceiling in Italy. Michelangelo considered himself the sculptor, not a painter. However, when he was approached by Pope II to do the ceiling artwork in the Sistine Chapel, he accepted it. He was an excellent sculptor, but painting was new to him. And that too, painting a ceiling that is over 60 feet tall is not an easy feat, yet he did it. Probably he took it as God's calling in his life. We learn many lessons from his act of obedience. Sometimes we are called to do something that we don't have an expertise in. Let us do it anyway. Whatever that God has put in your heart, only you know it. You really don't need another person's support. With all the tools that is available and all the time that is available, you can do it. Say yes to your calling. And the next lesson I would like to stress on is that once again, remember, excellence is always better than comparison. There were better painters around that time who could have easily done that assignment, but Michelangelo was asked to work on it and he said yes. So he did not compare himself with others. He was willing to give it a try. He was willing to start it. He chose the excellence over comparison. He did his best with what he had, and God used him beyond what he expected. And progress over perfection. He showed up every single day. He toiled. He progressed. He did not give up on it. I'm sure he had some struggles, but he did not give up on his progress. So he chose progress over perfection, but eventually, because of his constant showing up, it became a perfect art. Even medical professionals are mesmerized by the details of human anatomy that he has drawn. God made his talent perfect because he was progressing with it. Every day he showed up. Every day, God perfected his progress. The third lesson, consistency always wins. Because Michelangelo was consistent, his work won. His efforts won. His talent is recognized 500 years later. I could see that he had excelled in all three of these qualities. He was noble in his character. He was resilient in his faith. And he was intentional in his living. How do we say that? Because he was well read. The details of these scripture scenes shows how much he valued the scriptures and how resilient his faith was. That God himself gave him the strength and the talents and the courage to finish it. So not only showed excellence, progress, and consistency, he's also a forerunner of someone with a noble character, someone resilient in faith, and a life that was lived intentionally. I hope you will stay with me a few more minutes to enjoy this artwork. And thank you for staying with me, and let us strive to be noble in character, resilient in faith, and intentional in our living. I'm not speaking from an I have arrived kind of mindset, but rather as a fellow learner, striving to excel in these qualities right alongside you. Until next time, let us live thoughtfully. A NRI girl with love.